In today's video, I'm going to teach you about some practical examples of using the fillet tool in AutoCAD. If you're looking to smooth out the sharp corners of your designs or seamlessly connect lines and shapes, then mastering the fillet tool is essential. This versatile feature allows you to round off corners in a snap, and today we'll walk through a few straightforward examples that demonstrate how to effectively use it in different scenarios. First, let's start with the basics. A simple corner overlapping situation. Imagine you have two lines meeting at a corner and you want to convert that sharp angle into a smooth, rounded one. Begin by typing fillet into the command line and pressing enter. This will activate the tool. However, sometimes you might find that the default radius is either too large or doesn't fit the requirement of your design. In such cases, you'll need to adjust this radius. To do this, simply type R for radius and hit enter. Once prompted, enter a new, smaller radius value that suits your needs. After setting the correct radius, select the two lines you originally wanted to fillet. You will see that the fillet tool rounds off the corner perfectly. Now, let's move on to another situation where you have two lines that aren't initially touching or connected. The fillet tool can come to the rescue here as well. Just like before, start by entering the fillet command in the command line and press enter. Then go ahead and select the two lines you would like to connect. In a matter of moments, you'll notice that these previously disconnected lines are now beautifully joined with a rounded edge, thanks to the fillet feature. Next, let's consider the use of fillet with arcs. If you have two arcs and you wish to connect them using another arc, the fillet tool can accomplish this effortlessly. Select both arcs, choose a larger radius using the same method as before, and hit enter. You'll see the arcs bridge together by a new arc, achieving a smooth, continuous curve. Lastly, the fillet tool can also be used with polylines. When working with polylines, activate the fillet command once more, but this time type P and press enter to specify that you are working with a polyline. Select the polyline you wish to modify, and just like with lines and arcs, apply your desired radius to round out the corners. This feature allows you to maintain a consistent and smooth transition throughout your polylines, giving your designs that professionally crafted appearance. These examples showcase just a few of the ways you can use the fillet command to enhance your AutoCAD projects. With a little practice and creativity, you'll be able to incorporate smooth, elegant curves into your designs with ease. Take these tips and start experimenting with the fillet tool in your own projects.